Alright, so we're getting ready to start the first project. This is going to be a very basic PhoneGap application. And this project was created to introduce you to some of the technologies that will be used and also to get our development environment up and ready for the rest of the course. Alright, so we'll be doing things like installing Node.js, NPM, which is used to install PhoneGap, XAMPP, which will give us an Apache server to work with. And I should also mention PhoneGap also has its own server which we'll be using. I just like to have a couple different options for you to choose from. And we'll be taking a look at PhoneGap Build, which is the program, the web-based program that will compile our application so that we can actually install it on a device. So project sections, we have the project intro, which is obviously this video. Section 2 will be the PhoneGap environment setup, where we'll set up most of what I just said. Section 3 will create our application, and we're going to be implementing jQuery mobile. Section 4 will create the pages, which will be the home page, the about page, and the contact page. Section 5 I'll show you how to deploy or install the application. We'll use PhoneGap Build for that. So you'll learn how to get a mobile app up and running, and using, of course, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We'll install Node.js and NPM. We'll install and set up PhoneGap, jQuery mobile. We'll use PhoneGap Build for compiling your app. We'll also set up Ripple, which is a browser-based emulator, and we'll be using that most of the time. But we'll also set up the Android SDK and the ADB, which is the virtual device for Android. Alright, so that's it, and let's get started.